How to spoof my location on iPhone without computer. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to spoof your location on iPhone without computer. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Faking your location is not an immoral thing and usually done due to privacy concerns. The concerns such as to not let your friends find out your exact location, as it sometimes can be considered as a privacy breach, or to prevent others from misusing your original location. So the first method to spoof your location without computer is use a secondary phone. Start by signing out of Find My Friends on your official device. Next, log in to your secondary iPhone using the same Apple ID and leave the device into the location. With this, no one will detect location change on your device and you'll be able to share this decoy location with any of your friends. The other method is launch the settings application on your device and search for location services there and tap on that. Now the idea here is when your location is still on, go to a random location and toggle off the button for location services in that particular location. Now you can freely go around to other locations and people will never know your actual location. You can then go ahead and change your location services anytime you want. And these are a few methods on how you can spoof your location on iPhone without computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.